All right, let's talk about a name you definitely know, Dunlop. But what you might not know is that there's a huge strategic shift happening right now behind that familiar logo. And it's not just about some new ads, it's about creating a massive new profit opportunity for your business. Let's get right into it. So it all kind of kicks off with this one simple question. You've probably seen the Dunlop name popping up in some pretty interesting places lately, right? Sponsoring awards for YouTubers, partnering up with the Gran Turismo video game. For a brand that's been around for over 130 years, that can seem a little out of left field. So what is actually going on here? Well, the answer is way more than just a new marketing budget. What you're seeing on the surface, that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's the first sign of a complete overhaul in ownership, in strategy, and in investment. And for you, as an independent tire dealer, this change is spelling out one thing loud and clear: opportunity. Okay, so to really get what's happening with Dunlop, you got to think of it like this. The brand has basically switched racing teams. There's a whole new owner in the pit box, and they've got a completely different strategy for winning the race. And this slide really breaks it down. It's a tale of two totally different game plans. On one side, you had Team Goodyear. Their whole Goodyear forward plan was about reducing debt, which meant selling off valuable assets, like Dunlop. On the other side, you've got the new owner, Team Sumitomo, and their strategy is the exact opposite. They're all about global expansion, and they're doing it by investing in and buying up premium brands. So one team was contracting, and the new team is all about expansion. And listen, we are not talking about a small deal here. This was a $735 million move to get the brand rights in North America, Europe, and Oceania. That is a massive all-in bet. It just goes to show you how serious Sumitomo is about turning Dunlop back into a global powerhouse. And you know what? We don't even have to guess what they're planning. The CEO of Sumitomo Rubber North America, Darren Thomas, he laid it out perfectly. Their goal is to build Dunlop into a high-margin retail brand with exceptional products. So what's that mean for you in plain English? It means they are laser-focused on creating a premium, profitable tire line that's going to make money for dealers like you. Okay, so they've put their money where their mouth is, and they've told us the goal. But the big question is, how exactly are they going to pull this off? Let's take a look inside their new playbook. It really boils down to this simple three-point strategy. First, they're going to rebuild Dunlop's image as a true premium brand. Second, they're going to create real demand by reaching customers in totally new ways with modern marketing. And third, they're going to back the whole thing up with some serious cutting-edge technology that actually delivers on that premium promise. And we're already seeing this marketing plan in action. This isn't just talk. They sponsored the Racer Creator Awards, getting the Dunlop name in front of millions of young car fans online. They're now the official tire partner for Gran Turismo 7. Hello, massive gaming audience. And they showed up at the Quail, a super exclusive event for high-end car collectors. They're putting the Dunlop name exactly where it needs to be to feel premium and modern. And this isn't just marketing fluff. There's real tech here. Sumitomo is bringing their own secret sauce to the party: active tread technology. Basically, it's a smart rubber compound they can actually adapt to the road as conditions change. Think moisture, temperature, you name it, to give you better grip. It's the same award-winning tech they have in their Centro Weather tire, and it's going to be a huge part of the new Dunlop lineup. Okay, so that's all the high-level corporate stuff. It's interesting, for sure. But the biggest question is, why should you care? Let's pivot and talk about what this whole relaunch actually means for your shop and for your bottom line. Here it is, plain and simple. First, you're getting access to a revitalized brand that's being built from the ground up to be high margin. Second, all that cool marketing we talked about, that's designed to drive customers who are already excited about the product right through your doors. Third, the new products are aimed squarely at the hottest parts of the US market. We're talking SUV, all-weather, and UHP. And maybe most importantly, you get a stable partner in Sumitomo who's focused on growing with you, not on some messy corporate restructuring. Heck, their own recent profits are already up. The plan is already working. Now, you might be thinking this is all a few years down the road. Nope, this isn't a wait-and-see kind of thing. The race has already started. 2025 was the warm-up lap, and the green flag for the full launch is about to drop. I mean, just look at how fast things moved in 2025 alone. The deal closes in May. By August, they're at the Quail. September, boom, the Gran Turismo partnership. November, they're sponsoring the Creator Awards. Now, the full European launch is kicking off in January 2026, and North America is going to be rolling out right there with it. This is happening right now. So let's just wrap this all up. You've got a legendary brand, and it's just been supercharged with a massive investment, a really smart modern strategy, and some incredible new tech. It's all aimed at one thing: a major premium comeback. Sumitomo is putting Dunlop in pole position for its next big chapter. So the only real question left is your business ready to get on that podium with them?